5 fascinating facts about cats. Cats are fascinating creatures. They have been our companions for thousands of years and have captured our hearts with their adorable antics. In this video, we'll explore 5 amazing facts about cats. Did you know that cats sweat through their paws? Just like humans, cats have sweat glands. However, unlike humans, their sweat glands are located on their paws. When a cat is feeling hot or stressed, it may leave damp paw prints as they walk. Cats are known for their love of sleep. In fact, cats sleep up to 18 hours a day. This may seem like a lot, but it's perfectly normal for cats. They are crepuscular animals, which means they are most active during dawn and dusk. During the day and night, they conserve their energy by sleeping. Have you ever wondered why cats meow? Interestingly, cats only meow for humans. In the wild, cats communicate with each other through body language, scents, and vocalizations such as hissing and growling. However, when it comes to communicating with humans, cats have developed a special language, meowing. Cats use different meows to express their needs and want to their human companions. Cats are agile and athletic animals. They can run up to 30 miles per hour and are excellent climbers and jumpers. Their powerful hind legs allow them to make incredible leaps, and their flexible spine and sharp claws help them climb trees and other high places with ease. Have you ever noticed that most calico and tortoiseshell cats are female? This is because the gene that controls the orange and black coat color is located on the X chromosome. Female cats have 2 X chromosomes, while male cats have 1 X and 1 Y chromosome. To have a calico or tortoiseshell coat pattern, a cat must have 2 copies of the gene, one from each parent. Since male cats only have 1 X chromosome, it's very rare for them to have this coat pattern. These are just some of the many fascinating facts about cats. What's your favorite fact about these amazing creatures? Let us know in the comments below.